Hi, this is Mercedes Hutchins from Surfing to Success, and I saw a question on Facebook that seems to have a lot of people confused, and it happens to be something we're doing in my 5th grade math class right now, so I thought I would provide a little video tutorial for those of you who don't know how to do it, and show you a product that I made and will use in my classroom in case you're interested in using it in your classroom or for yourself. So this was the post that I saw. And this problem has subtraction, addition, multiplication, and division inside of it. And many people were confused about what to do. What seems that most people were going from left to right, and that is not exactly the order that we would go in if we use the order of operations and we want to come to the correct answer. So I thought I would show you how to do that. There's an acronym that you may have heard before. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally is how I remember it from when I was a kid. And you could pronounce it PEMDAS, I suppose. I have this visual that I use with my students to help them remember the order of operations. We would do parentheses and exponents first, but this problem doesn't have those. So then we're on to the next section. Now, when I display it, I display multiplication and division together with an arrow going from left to right because multiplication and division are related. Think of them as cousins who don't mind taking turns. So when you're doing multiplication and division, you go from left to right. But multiplication and division will come before addition and subtraction. I explain it to my students as addition and subtraction are the little cousins who have to wait their turn. But again, addition and subtraction are okay taking turns, and they're going to go from left to right. So when we look at this problem here, this is how we would solve it. First, you're looking at the problem and you see that there's subtraction, multiplication, division, and addition. You're not going to go from left to right for all of that. You're going to start with multiplication and division. So the first multiplication problem we see here is 1 times 0. 1 times 0 is 0. So when I rewrite the first part of the problem, I keep the 6 minus, and then I write 6 minus 0. The next part that I'm going to do is division. I kept the addition sign because that's not coming till the second step. And I'm going to do 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So down here I wrote 1 for that. So now I can do subtraction and addition from left to right. In this case, subtraction is first, so we're going to start at the left and move to the right. 6 minus 0 is 6. If you add 1 more to that, you get 7. So the answer to this question is 7. This is a little packet that I made for my classroom that I share on my Teacher Pay Teacher store for $2. And it has an explanation of order of operations, a couple of posters, a foldable with directions, and then 3 really basic worksheets at beginning 5th grade level with answer keys showing you how to solve the problems. You can find them at my Teacher Pay Teacher store or at my Teacher Notebook store. I hope that this brief lesson in order of operations helps at least one person out there who was confused by the Facebook post. I'm sure many people have just forgotten what they learned in 5th grade, and hopefully this quick tutorial has helped you. I hope you have a great weekend.